Ito ba? Di ba may nahulog sa labas naman to?
Gaya?
Ha? Sa labas yan.
Saan lang yung blong?
Ilalagay ko, hindi ko pinagay.
Keep the air time. Yeah, you didn't even consider it. Guys, every single day you complain about the food. I thought you were gonna take it. You know what? That was a little easier than I thought. Day 30. Try to make it not so easy on you guys.
Paklasin mo muna yan. Dapat meron gamit yung power na.
Meron ako dito, diba? Nabalik na ang motor ko. Hindi ko muna doon sa bike sa motor.
Despite being happy with the results of their challenge, they were also beginning to think about what they were missing outside of the prison.
What I have to remember is why I'm here.
Para ma-adjust natin, nawala sa alam.
Money for my family is the ultimate goal. I got my wife, I have a beautiful family. I can't back
Eh, mo kape, wala mo busa.
It must be nice having a wife and kids. I did a year without my family.
Extra ko lang.
2 days. I didn't see my brother or my mom for a year. That's that. Living to an hour of your time a day,
Can't wait for yard time.
they grew restless and found creative ways to pass the time before the next challenge. Dodgeball! Get out of here, Copper! We're gonna need an EMT. Grab me up. Officer, am I gonna lose it? I'll lose a breath. Inmates have now been living in this prison for 30 days. Let's go, dog. Guys, you're plugged into it. How's it been? It's been good. Come on inside, fellas. There's a new area of the prison that we're going to unlock right now. Seriously, and there are literally hundreds of books in here.
Bawal ako.
Wait, hold up. Here's the catch. Access to this library is 100% free, but only one of you gets it. For the next 70 days, one of you will get to go into it for an hour and read. The other will not. Oh, for an hour every day? Cannot bring the books out. That is strictly forbidden.
What else is included?
We'll do a tour. We have lots of books in here. You gotta hit the back. Take your time to try to. We're both gonna be able to back in this thing. We're gonna be good. Things go away. Like this is the highway around.
Mahaba, sakbala.
Dito ba nga yung parang ng matisay, gagawin pa rin parang naman, dami kambing.
Oh,
Mahal yung kambing, yung mga mamahaling kambing.
ang gano'n yan.
Hindi yan, may mga sungay. Parang bisiro na ako yung kambing, parang mabalibol na kambing, mamahalin nila. Dami na dyan, ang laki ng lupain nila eh. Sa likod, nilapanpan. Bahay nilapanpan doon sa likod. Kahit na pala lahat yung palayan.
May basketball court.
Hindi, oo sa likod. Sa likod mo. Ito yung right. Yan pala maingin eh. Hindi saksak eh.
Believe that.
Right yan. Diba, malakas nga. Lagyan mo tubig.
Ay, alada, anala.
Ha? Dede? Ano? Di ba tayo doon?
Ano niya? Ano?
Sa kabit mo yung takit.
Ah,
Kaya nga malakas na yan, kaya nang umikot na maayos yan kasi nawala sa alay.
Oo.
Natanggal yung paa niya.
Tagilid siya.
Tagilid dyan, hindi yung hindi na maayos. Mahirapan niya, nasisira pa yung motor. Umusok yan pag na-pwersa siya.
kaya sabi ko, huwag mo na yung
Kasi hindi siya
tuloy
nakalay.
paggamit eh.
Uusok yan. Pag nahirapan yung motor, hindi mo kaya. Mahal pa ang motor. Tumili pa pala dito, oh. Ito na lang.
Because the next morning, he had a pretty big shift in his mindset.
Ito para bago.
And when Lenny took down, Ian stepped up.
Straight na.
Now it was both of them together versus the Bulls. On their hammering that rock, let me tell you about the brand new Mr. Beast Labs Hybrid. These test tubes just started hitting shelves. Inside these are random parts of hybrids that you can mix and match to create your own unique Mr. Beast Lab experiment. We call it a rock slayer. And to make these things even cooler, we developed an
Eh,
show.
akin yung dalawa yan. Maliit masyado. Sakit lang naman eh. Ano gawin nyo? Lakon mo? Yung hindi kalawang lang.
Eh,
Dalawa lang naman eh. O, ano ito na lang. Eh, manipis. Pero makapal ka dapat. Malulose split.
And even though they were working as a team,
Ano?
our day for
Sakit
10
lang naman
days
ito.
is pretty dang technical. One for the rock, 0 for the inmates for today. We made no progress.
No progress.
You need something that's gonna help us get that key to get that $100,000. Each new day, they swung hundreds of times, but the rock wasn't budget.
okay.
Ako na tubig.
We might not make it. I'm not sure.
If we lose that 50 grand, I'm gonna quit. Ian realized that force wasn't enough. What they needed was knowledge. There's gotta be an answer here.
Still no.
Ripped out the pages. Got to do with our exact task. It says we need to use leverage.
Este, Sa skala na yan, sa chip. Kampun siguro.
Wala pa naman
Dapat,
nag-apply noon.
grade 12 pa na mag-apply na siya. Kay Kinchin nga, di niya alam na grade 12 pa na dapat nag exam na siya. Ngayon third year. Sa third year nga siya nag-apply kasi siya.
Meron last month yata yun.
Hindi kasi sabi, pag di ka nakapasok ng grade 12 sa CHED, pag third year yung college, dito ka lang grade 12.
Kahit konti lang bro. Okay na?
Ha?
Kahit konti lang.
Ha?
Kahit konti tubig lang.
Oo.
Wala ba?
May ikot dito daw.
Pihitin mo lang.
Ay, bakas bro.
Lakas kasi naalay.
Bakas lalo.
Naalay.
Wala.
Diba? Naalay kasi nawala sa alay.
Bakas.
Nag-fly siya ako. Yung walang tubig.
Linis agad yan. Bakas mga idol oh. Ito talaga pag naalayin pala. Wala sa alay ng karaan.
Ako gawa nun. Hindi na ang gawa ko nun. Hindi ginamit namin. Puta binaha nun. Hindi na nila